Pulchritudinous Schizophreniform Birdsong. The cortex of tubular transfinite keychains, humanoid the pantheist scalp and buttercups, scimitar the red panda made out of myriad topological agate craters, the moribund floodgates of Reinhold's Mysterianist flamingo, aneric yetis blossom in the Huggen therapy, and Medusae blubbery windows, like a fluorescent moondog, ripen in grapefruit Machiavellian nightingales, flaunting upon the hemorrhagic amphibian cosmogonic meta-woman, neons the Sufi Shiva of salamander-stuffed coffee grinders, pissed in the morning star phallic vertigo, orioles the panentheist hermetic crocodile-headed seagulls, limousine meta-woman, Shakti the meteors of scrotal oysters, mercurial the asparagus, the backmask and ookpicks of Arabian and Orion, lamprey the filigrees of elixirs of Niagara's, cantaloupe gibbous immortal reindeer carven vulcanized molten reptilian omnimancers, the revolver the blasphemous didgeridoo, spherical the spirulina basketballs, scimitar crystallization of Merlin's philosophobic omniverse lamentine labyrinths, Merlin's ogreish gladiator helmet of watermelon squeeze language, post-lyrically filigrees, the Buchanan oiled marvelous, at the gargoyle Thanksgiving, a pataphysical Tyrannosaurus foeman, tensed in Narnia, between synesthesia, synchronicity, of the sodomized greasy hams of blubbery hypersurreal antlers, the Pleiades metallark ganglia, the pneumatic obsolescent orchidine, succotash spearman warthogs, cerebrating the Vetus bearded with uprooted cougars, rhomboid the post-transhumanist jackrabbits, monochromatic bodhisattvas, grapefruit the Nibelung made out of parabolic elliptic nebulae beards, sphinx the Lakshmi, psychometric gargoyle of ganglia, the hyper-transcendental number triumvirate whiplashes of a cephaloid dentilium, orchidine, ogreish putrefaction of the chameleon, reptilian black-billed magpie ballerina belladonna, cranium and pelagic pulchritudinous sauerkraut of surrealist birdsong, labyrinth stentilium, the mummified watchtower of wildflower mercenaris medusae, garbed supernova of Lakshmi of Lakota's phenomenological grapefruits of gossamer, from Looney Tunes, toonies, grizzled and drizzled sauerkraut of Albion albino, fluorescent neologism, arboretum, motherboard, ontological nihilist muslins, none of it, of the Nietzschean sidereal cosmopsychic synesphysical cranberries, gazebo, the Casanova, of Kashmir spaghetti-faced grapefruit torso, Agamemnon, the cryptogram logophile, verbivorous pizzeria of aureolas, a pulchritudinous schizophreniform birdsong.